So isang magandang umaga po sa inyong lahat everyone. Ayan, as you can see guys, we will be introducing to you guys our one of the best products ng Central Fragrance Perfume, which is our Helmet Deodorizer. Alam nyo ba guys, super bango nito at super sulit ito kung bibilin nyo guys, kasi meron po tayong two different sizes nito guys, isang small and isang big one, and super gaganda po ang babango po nito at para po to sa mga taong nagmomotor, sumasakay sa motor, nag-aangka, syempre nag-move and also nagja-joyride, grab, basta sumasakay ng motor at gumagamit ng helmet, ito para po ito sa inyong lahat. Ayan, kaya kung ako sa inyo, mag-check out, add to cart, click the yellow basket, and also please do follow them on all their social media accounts. I will be putting the link down below there sa ating Facebook page and also sa ating YouTube post guys, or YouTube descriptions para matap nyo ang link. Thank you so much. Have a good day. Yes. Mwah.